I want to show you how to build this elf or gnome house with a working door, and on the back side it's got even an upstairs and downstairs. Let's get started. This is actually a log that somebody cut in half, and the bark is really solid, tight, and it's in really nice shape. So I thought, let's build a gnome house. So inside's a little bit dirty and a little bit of decay. So I'm using just a wire brush to clean out any loose wood. And I'll go over that whole thing and clean it up. I cut this end off so that it's square and flat, and I used just a handsaw. Next cut is going to be in the middle. I want to make this the house so it's 10 inches long, and this log is right around 20 inches long, so I'm going to mark it at 10. And I figured handsaw is probably the easiest way to get a straight cut. Chainsaw is, they go all over the place. Be really hard to cut this with a saber saw. So I figure handsaw is probably the best. And what this is going to do, I'm going to cut this straight, and this will actually be the bottom for another house. And I'm going to cut this at an angle for the roof for this house. So I'm just going to try and get this as perpendicular as I can to the log and cut this through. I've got the doorway cut out. This is about 10 inches tall. The door is 5 inches tall by, I believe it's 2.5 inches wide. And then I have a roof angle here. I don't know what that is. I just actually kind of eyeballed it. Plan is to put 1/4 inch plywood on top of here, and then some type of a wooden base for this to sit on. I'm going to actually give this to my dad, and he's going to do the work on it. I'm going to put these pine boards on the bottom, and I've drawn a line around here that kind of goes contour with the stump. And then to punch out these windows, I'm going to use a hole saw. I'm going to cut out these bases with the saber saw. And I've got all the windows drilled out, and I cut the 3 bases. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.